Hi, I'm George Levy and welcome to my studio. I will now be doing a performance art piece called There Can Be Only One. And what I'm going to be doing is actually showing you what an NFT is in the process as I create an NFT. What I'm actually doing right now is this performance art is being recorded so that I can actually then create it and mint it as an NFT and make it available for sale. I'm doing this to actually give you an idea of what's possible and how you can actually create NFTs. Now, NFTs can take all sorts of shapes. What I'm going to be doing here is actually transforming a physical work of art, which will be a painting. I'm transforming it into an NFT and making it available for sale in a marketplace. Now, here's what's interesting about it. As I begin doing this, I want you to understand that I will be creating a painting. This is a physical painting. But notice that what I am doing is I am recording a video. Not only am I recording a video, let me add some embellishments to it. Like, how about some music? I can do all sorts of things. Why? Because I am creating a performance piece for you as an NFT. You can do all sorts of things. If you're an expert in special effects, you want to add some animations, feel free to do it. It's your NFT. And at the end of the day, you're just putting together a work of art that's delivered digitally to somebody that wants to buy it. Now, this piece is called NFT. There can be only one. And the reason I'm doing that is because each NFT is a unique digital asset unlike others. So in this case, this is an NFT or a non-fungible token of a performance art piece that I am doing for you for NFT. There can be only one. So let's begin my painting. So what I will be doing in this painting is I will be beginning. My medium is magic marker and paper. Now, you may be an oil painter, you may like acrylics, or maybe you are a photographer and you take a picture and you're creating an NFT out of it. Or maybe you're a sculptor. If you're a musician, you could actually put together a performance, or maybe you want to do an acting role and actually a piece that you put together. It's up to you. An NFT can be any type of digital asset that you create, whether it's an image, whether it's a recording, whether it's actually a video performance. All of these things can be created as NFTs and you can actually sell those. But ultimately what you're doing is you are creating a unique non-fungible token that you're making available for sale to someone else. And that person will be able to buy that asset and claim ownership to it because it will be recorded on the blockchain. So right now, this piece, NFT, there can be only one. I've got the first part. For the second part, I am going to get a little more creative. And instead of writing there could be only one, I'm actually just going to go crazy here. Initials. There can be only one. And so right now I'm creating this painting. In fact, I wouldn't be done if I actually didn't initial it and actually put me. So it's actually me. It's a George Levy NFT that I'm creating based on a painting that I'm making. And this painting, I'm going to initial it. So it's going to be GL, George Levy. So right now, what have we got? Right now we have a painting. This painting I am actually turning into a digital token. I could have instead taken a picture of the painting and then listed that as the digital token. I could have listed the picture of the painting with some music. That could be a different NFT. It's really up to you. You get to create your NFT as you wish, whatever you want. In this case, I am creating a performance art piece, and I'm doing this to show you the process of creating an NFT. But let's go one step further. Right now, I want to tell you something that's a big issue when you're dealing with physical assets turned into NFTs. If you actually take a picture of this painting and you turn that picture into an NFT, you still have the physical painting. So the question is, which one's the real work of art? Is it the painting or is it actually the NFT? And this is where the there can be only one comes in. If you have the picture, you sell it with the NFT, so the person can actually have the painting with the NFT, which works as a token that actually certifies the authenticity of that painting. And whoever owns that token owns the painting. So if you sell the painting, you sell the token with it. You see, the token is part of the painting. That's what you're doing when you're creating a digital asset of a physical painting or any type of physical aspect or Any type of physical endeavor that you're actually turning into a token, you always run into, there's the physical component and there's the digital component. And you can't split them apart because they're meant to be one. So here's the question that I tell you. Right now you could get the painting and the digital token, or some artists, and I'm not telling you to do this, I'm just saying this has been done before. Some artists will simply destroy the physical painting. They'll destroy the physical painting. So at this moment, there is no longer the physical NFT. There can be only one. What you have is only the digital representation. So you have only one. You've got the digital token, that's the NFT, that is now available for purchase in the marketplace.